Director sa Calzaga Mining Corporation Foundation, si Ma'am Regina Di Calit. Ma'am, kining paghatag o scholarship ng 5 ka mga estudyante sa graduate o senior high school gusto sa mga programa sa PMC, ngano ni abot din mo Bukid Area?
Okay, good morning sa tanan. Good morning sa tanang followers and watching all over Mindanao and all over the Philippines. We are so grateful, no? All the time tungod sa kasing-kasing sa presidente sa maong company, wala lain si Attorney Raul C. Villanueva, tungod kay ingon ana kadako ang iyahang gusto mahitabo sa pagpalambo sa matag usa kung asa pwede mi maka-extend og help, especially this program as part of the Calzaga Mining Foundation, ang scholarship program nga naa gi-approve sa maong company. Una, ang rason nga nung naabot ta dinhi sa 403rd Bukidnon tungod kay ang part sa atong scholars nga nahimong grantees karon kining 5 came from Agusan del Sur, from La Paz and San Luis, and that is part of Agusan del Sur. Tungod ni ana, we have first MOA, no, Memorandum of Agreement between the parents and the students, our grantees, and the Calzaga Mining Foundation, witnessed by the top officials of this brigade, headed by Brigadier General Sigfred Calamba Tubalado. The rest of the team, especially the parents, the grantees, kini ang unang higayon nga naata nagpahatag og naghatag og scholarship grant dinhi sa Bukidnon. Lucky kay kining 5 wala na niagi og daghang screening process, kundi we treated them as very important person because the members sila sa maong indigenous people. Sila ang priority nga atong tabangan tungod kay una silang dapat mulambo sabay sa paglambo sa maong Calzaga Mining Company. And kaning 5, same as they receive full scholars from our office, allowances, book allowance, uniform allowance, board and lodging allowance, and soon pohon, no? Kung mahuman sila sa ilang pag-eskwela, we have a little amount to assist also para sa ilang mga board pohon, maluoy ang Ginoo. And the only requirement is that they have to maintain the 85 general average sa ilahang pagpaskwela, and they have to focus on their studies, continue to become a better person, and they have to take this scholarship grant as serious as it is, because not all IPs were given the chance to be part of this program, and they are so lucky, and I congratulate all of them because they've been choosing as the best of being the one, as I said kanina. As far as I remember, we have UP Manila, we have CMU, we have University of sa Marawi, Mindanao State University rather. We have Father Saturnino Orius University. We have St. Joseph Institute of Technology. We have the CSU. We have the 3 universities in Davao, and now we have new the schools here from Bukidnon. This is the first time ika nga pero the good thing now is we have new to take care. We have new adopted future leaders in the country. Until they will being part of the graduating students, graduate students sa ilahang respective na ginatake, because they are free to choose courses na ilahang gusto. But strictly, we implemented actually the courses na dapat nilang kuhaon, because not only just molding them as scholars, but one day molding them as young professionals also is part of our responsibility.
Ma'am, may nangutano nga member sa tribo gay na after anin nila nababay laing sunod daw gikan gihapon sa ilang ranks dito sa community.
Depende sa endorsements of our authored. It matters. It matters. But if you do have the chance to adopt again another new scholars, why not? Yearly we have quotas. And in fact, kung sa inyohang nahibaluan, the Calzaga Mining Foundation Incorporated, dili lang nagalimit within the boundaries we have, no, in our respective EOR, kundi those who are less fortunate na need tabangan. That is the one goal and mandato of the foundation. Kay mao nay gusto sa Felsaga Mining Foundation President, wala lang si Attorney C. Villanueva, nga makatabang ta dili lang sa atong tugkaran kundi sa gawas sa atong tugkaran.
Ma'am, regarding nga po siya pangutana about sa dugang pangatabangan. Ang ITIB, ma'am, is adunay adapa school program. Aduna po sila yung mga scholar dito. ITIB is under sa 403rd Brigade. Possible, ma'am, mga matabangan po sa dito particular sa may GDS areas, ma'am.
Okay, as far as endorsement of 403rd, we have to, sila ang nag-endorse actually, no? So, knowing that area, wala na sa amo ang jurisdiction. So, it's up to them, the 403rd, to endorse again. So, depende na po if those endorsement names and the IPs are qualified to that certain requirements sa foundation. But if there is, why not? We are still open to accept, no, anytime. Mo na goal na mo kundili wait and see kung unsay pwedeng mabuhat pa sa uban na ikatabang namo. Basta all the time, 24/7, the Felsaga Mining Foundation is open to accept, not only for the scholarship grant, but any services that we can, why not?
Ma'am Motherling, sa imong advice sa mga napili ng mga swerte ng mga scholar.
To all our scholars this year, we have 62 scholars, grantees all over the Philippines. Isa lang, padayon sa pagpaningkamot, ayaw kahadlok nga makigbatok sa mga challenges sa pagpaskwela sa pagskwela, kundi himoa kining tumbanan nga ikaw mamahimong ligdong nga usa ka professional one day. And that is a challenge for you na dapat, especially kato mo na istoryahan kagainan na they are vulnerable of getting married as early as they are, no? Kay mo na focus sa ilahang sa kultura. But this time they are improving and they are growing. I hope na these 5 scholars nga we have for the first time under this brigade, mamahimo silang model to other IPs nga nagbelong sa ilahang tribo, nga dili di ay rason ang kapobrihon nga mamahimo tang usa ka professional, kundi ang kakugi ug ang pagpaningkamot nya matinud-anon nga pagpakabana sa matag usa aron sama kanila mamahimo silang modelo one day sa ilahang tribo.